Hey pals, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Mech Digest by Komal. For any candidate of mechanical engineering who is willing to learn design, he or she comes across a very common obstacle of interpreting the drawing. Today, I am going to show you one such drawing which is initially tricky to understand, but trust me, they are not that difficult to understand if you get along with my methods. So, let us start. This particular drawing is given with 4 views, the 3 standard views and 1 sectional view. As I always say, understand the major profile of the part, and here it is mentioned in the front view. So understanding this drawing, we see that this is a plate which is of 7 mm. So understanding the layout of the plate, we'll start with this arc of R6 and hole of diameter 6. Choosing the front plane, diameter 6, and this is R6. Let us use mirror. The center to center gap is 58. Now take this arc of R37.5 mm. Avoid auto constraining. And now take a line to connect these two arcs. Provide the necessary constraints. Remove this wrongly placed tangency. Oh yes. Now mirroring this sketch on the other side of horizontal axis, again taking the same arc of R37.5, and repeat the same process. Use mirror. Just for the verification, check here that there is no intersection. This looks fine. This as well looks fine. Now extruding it up to 7 mm. Now the next step would be making this circular plate of diameter 74 and this taper revolve at the angle of 36 degree. So choosing XY plane, project the base of this feature. This is 6. This would be half of 74. That's 36. And assuming this to be 30. Let's trim the unnecessary sketch. And using shaft, this would be revolved around vertical axis. Okay. Now for this particular profile, we have to offset a plane from top face of this plate at 45 mm distance. So taking a plane, reverse the direction and offset distance would be 45. Take this plane, okay, so this line, which is 47 mm, coincides this circular edge. Let us coincide. Okay. Now this would be the reference for us to dimension the other features. So starting with this, take a circle of diameter 8.5, which is at offset of 57.8 from this line. Okay. We see that the axis of this hole is 57.5 from here. Mirror both of them. This is 57.5. The vertical distance between these two centers is 15.5. So give it the vertical measure 15.5. Now we need an arc of R27. That's 27. Take a line and mirror it. Now to constrain, we'll assume that this center coincides this line. And now trimming the unnecessary sketch. So this is what we have, and this would be extruded up to the next face. Now the profile which is shown here would be made to remove the material inside this part up to 13 mm. So this radius is 24.5. Taking this face, project this and take a line which is 11 mm as per the drawing. Mirror it and trim. Okay. Now use pocket up to 13 mm. So this is what we have. Now as per the sectional view, we need to remove this much material. So this would be removed using the groove option. Okay. Project. This is 12 mm and diameter 66. So this would be 33. Now there's a line which is half of 58. Then we have a taper. So 7.6 is this distance, and this is 35. So this would be, sorry, on double clicking the plane, it exits the sketcher. So this would be half of 35. Okay, so we need to project this face as well. The reason is we need a hole of 12 mm. So that would happen here in one go. Trim this. And let's complete this loop. Trim these two lines. Okay. So this is 12. This would be 6. And this would be 10. And this is 4. Removing this material using groove with respect to the vertical axis here. So see, the part is complete almost. This is just complete, just need to give these holes and this support. So these are 3 holes of diameter 4 mm. So take this face, let's give the diameter. And make them concentric. The hole here is at the depth of 10 mm. And the supports are again of diameter 4 and they would be extruded up to 5 mm. Make it concentric and mirror. Now the next would be these two features, which are going to be sketched on this face. So first of all, project the circular edge. This is diameter 4 hole and this is radius 5 arc. Just for the reference purpose, take a circle and coincide it with this one. Now this is diameter 4 and this is radius 5, which is 15 and here the distance is given from the center, that is 44. Turn off the construction mode and take the other line. Make it tangent and the angle is 20 degree. So assuming that the center is coinciding this line, we get this. Now same here would be made. Now trim the unnecessary sketch. Okay, and the thickness is 5 mm. So this is how we complete the engine block. If you have any doubts related to the modeling into 3D, or if you have any queries regarding the training process, please get back to me in the comment box. Mention your email ID with the doubt and I'll definitely get back to you on your mail. To stay tuned for my next videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.